Hi, I'm Don Blankenship, candidate for U.S. Senate, and I approve this message.
Hello everyone, this is another Minecraft audiobook, and today we're going to be reading On Practice and On Contradiction by Mao Zedong.
Wow, that's a lot of words. Too bad I'm not reading them.
Arrgh! Sponge me boy Bob, where are you? Sponge me boy Bob, you're late. Get your boy Sponge in there and cook. Spongebob? What are you doing, lad? Ah! Arrgh! Hey, let go of me! Wait! Ah, I skrittered! Help! Sponge cook boy me is murdering me! To be continued. Alright, time to show you a little tour of my tool bag, what I use to work on water heaters. Not pictured is the flathead that matches this one. That one's still at work, but we got hex cutters, multimeter for testing power, and it's got the clamp on it and all that fun stuff. Little Milwaukee impact, that's all you need. A air hose hookup for pressuring a water heater with air draining. Pipe dope. Container fits. It's a pain in the ass to put back. I'm not taking that out. 20-ounce hammer. Channels. Big ones. Slightly smaller ones by Vice Grip. And about the same size by Nipex. Hex ring splitters for recovering fittings. Needle nose pliers, absolutely necessary, very big, use those a lot. Cheap wire cutters and strippers from Harbor Freight, it's like 3 years old, still going strong. A good pair of titanium bonded scissors, and some side cuts, wire cutters, dikes, whatever you call them. And a bunch of miscellaneous trash, screws, fittings, all that fun stuff. It's always trash in there. And I got a tiny flathead for flathead stuff where you can't get in there very easily. And what else have we got? I know I've got more. I've got this little bitty pipe wrench. You can stick a cheater on that and really turn something though. A pair of electrician screwdrivers, a flathead and a Phillips. And a tiny nut driver for spots that the big one can't get into. And this one's pretty nice. It's got a body where you can put like another wrench on it for torque, or run a screwdriver through the hole. That's pretty much it though. I mean, I've got thread tape, electrical tape. Under the thread tape I keep my little copper pipe cutter. That's it.